Hello, I'm Calm Cal. Welcome to another video. In this video we've got a new gaming headset in this box. Well, done that, didn't lose any fingers, so I'm doing well so far. What do we have? We have the Kraken X with 7.1 surround sound. Bendable cardioid microphone. The cardioid refers to it isolating everything else around you and just concentrating on your voice. And they're supposed to be nice and light. I've actually got some Logitech G633s. I think this is on Amazon now for about £65, and the Logitech ones are about 80. So we'll just open the box and see how they are. They're very nicely packaged. For gamers by gamers. Ooh. Unlock your headset's full potential now. Alright, so that's a download for the 7.1 surround sound. You've got to activate it. Okay. And you get a little instruction booklet, which is actually a leaflet. We've got, ooh, look at them. I'm going to stick them, I can guess. Right, okay, we'll come back to that. Let's have a look at the headsets themselves. Right, okay. Not brilliantly presented in this box, but I'd rather have, so they have been protected here, so I'd rather have light packaging and a decent product rather than brilliant packaging and a crap product. But it does the job. Okay, so that lid comes out. And that's everything we've got here. So we've got the lead here. So it's not USB. Okay. 3.5mm jack. There's a bit of length on there though. That's okay, isn't it? Nice bit of length on that. We've got the bendable. Yeah, it's very easy to do, but it stays there. Oh, impressed with that. Not to impress me, but that has. Okay, a little bit of give. Extensions. Pretty good for melon heads, like myself. So you've got the volume switch here. And then, ooh. I'm not too sure whether that's a mute button or just an on button. Same thing, I presume. And they're not too weighty actually. They're quite decent. Nice little cushion there. And quite a little bit of give in them as well. Then you've got an extra bit here. What's this one? So that's a splitter cable. So you can plug this in and then have separate outputs, presumably for your sound in and out. Obviously your microphone, and then obviously the sound that you're hearing through the earphones. There's separate outward channels. So when you're recording, you record them separately. Okay, So first instances, yeah, pretty good. Just going to try these on and I'll get back to you. Right, so I've been playing with these for a good few hours now, and I have to say I'm quite impressed with these. They're very, very comfortable. These earpieces, they do fit over the ears quite nice, and they don't seem to be creating any sort of like pressure. Some of the cheaper headsets, they do sort of like create like a, I wouldn't say hurtful, but they can create a little bit of a vacuum, and you can feel it on your eardrums a little bit. I seem to get earache from some of the cheaper headsets. So these are quite comfortable, including the headset rest up here. I haven't got any hair, so a little bit of comfort on the top of your head is nice, and these are very, very comfortable and light. The sound from them is very, very good. I have got some Logitech ones. These are the Logitech G633s, which is my usual headsets, and weight wise these are a bit heavier, and comfortable wise, out of both of them I would choose the Razer ones, no doubt. These ones are more expensive. They have got more features. This is sort of like a USB lead that's plugged in, and you can actually take these out and then fit the normal jack leads to this instead. Obviously the volume control on there is a bit better. It's got extra features with buttons, and this has got lighting on these as well. But to be honest, price wise and the comfort of these, the sound is better on these ones. Yeah, I would say that. Listening out for people around you and everything else, the sound is better on these, but the sound on these is adequate. You know, you can still hear people around you. It is very, very good. The sound on these is very, very good. These are a little bit better, but the sound on these is very, very good. And for the price comparison, even though you do get extra features on these which you probably won't even use, I would take these Razer ones, to be honest. And if you're looking for extra features, have a look on the Razer line. Obviously these ones are a little bit older now, I would imagine, so have a look on the Razer line if you don't want these ones. But if you want some extra features, have a look on the Razer line, because these are very, very comfortable. Very comfortable. So out of the pair of them, I would choose the Razer ones, no doubt. My name is Kel. Have a good morning, afternoon or good evening. Farewell till next time, and I will see you later.